I'm putting the car back to stock height. Man, this shit's a process. But hopefully I can pass inspection today super quick and call it a day at that. I just don't want to do this shit twice. So I started taking shit apart, but I'm good. I'm not gonna do this at all. It's easy to take off the coilovers and shit from this car, but I don't feel like messing with the sway bar, end links, and all that extra shit. So I'm gonna find a hookup and get this thing inspected as is, because I can't. It's fucking hot out here, man, and I'm not with it. I'm good. So I mean, I'm not gonna give out obviously who does the inspection for me, but damn, it would look good at that height. It's not that height because I don't know why. It's way too close to my fucking flare. I could shave it. I could make that fit. I don't know. At some point I might lower the back a little more, but I'm gonna rebuild my front lips first. My front wheels, I'm gonna rebuild them, make them wider, and kind of just go from there. Today I'm not taking off these coilovers. I know that much. I'm good with all that. So, and I have a slow leak on this tire. So yeah, I'm gonna put everything back together, try to get that hookup to inspect my car today or tomorrow. And that's it. Fuck that. Again, he's getting his front tires changed because they're just fucked up. He spent a lot of time primering the car too, so we're gonna figure out if we're gonna wrap it or paint it soon. We're just not sure yet. Fixed. Today wasn't as productive as I thought it would be. My car is still the same height and I still don't have an inspection, so I'm gonna try again in a couple days. So I have these Spec D headlights that nobody wanted to fucking buy from me. So I'm about to make a headlight intake. So I'm gonna like chop out this section so it actually feeds air into my turbo and doesn't, you know, I don't know, look like a regular headlight. And then I'll probably paint over the rest so it doesn't look like a regular headlight. All right, so that's the template. I'm just gonna cut that out and then cut off the back, and then boom, I have a fucking intake headlight. Facts. All right, so that's the cut. That's gonna be the intake. And that's all freehand with this. So yeah, I'm gonna cut out the back and then seal this off and probably paint the whole thing. And that's really it. Yeah, that's not right. All right, I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is the opening. And I opened up the back too. So now I'm just gonna kind of spray paint over this black because I don't want it to be clear. And I'm gonna cover the hole up with like vacuum line so it looks, you know, kind of seamless. And that's really it. And then I have the intake headlight that I wanted. This protector should still work. I chopped out everything else though, and it should still mount up like normal. So I did one coat of flat black on top of it, and I like it. It's gonna, you know, dry flat, but I might clear coat it later so it does have a shine to it. But I do like that it's straight through. I might get a Dremel at some point and clean up the inside and just make it a little wider inside, and also probably extend the hole. But for now I'm gonna run that how it is. All right, so that's the headlight completed. I put some like Fender line trim on it. It's not the, you know, cleanest, but it gives it a little bit of depth, and that's what I wanted. So I'm gonna put it on the car soon, and I'll just kind of show how it looks on the car. Oh, and you can still see the projector in there. So I'll have a little bit of light just on, you know, days I have it on or whatever.